Time for the fun part. You get to decorate. And if you want, you can also add, it might be your favorite thing, lights. Hello and welcome to Drawing with You Sister. Today we're going to draw a Christmas tree. Let's get on moving. So first, you draw a line at the bottom, but not the very bottom, because we need to draw a stem. Kind of like a triangle, but different. Stop when they're at the same moment. Out, in, out, in. And you can stop whenever you want. We'll need some extra room at the top because we'll need to draw a star. If you don't want to draw a star, that's okay. Until you reach the stem of the tree. If you wanted to draw a background, go on. You can add when decorating the tree, any detail. And here's a stem you want to add. I choose a black. Time for the fun part. You get to decorate. You'll still need your black thing that you have and circles for the ornament. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm just gonna make mine different than yours. I'm gonna make it the same but color it differently. And if you want, you can also add, it might be your favorite thing, lights. I'm jumping to each circle and jumping to the end. Now, if you want, you can add more details, but this is all I'm going to do. I might scribble with the ornaments. I have so many. Now, for the fun part, the ornaments. So, what color are you going to do yours? I'm going to do my ornaments. The reasons to be jolly. La 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 la. There are reasons to be jolly. La 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 la. Now, one more. The yellows first or fast? Now, this is how mine turned out. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.